Okay, CL 8-122, sketch the algebra tile shape at right, or down here, on your paper. Write and simplify an expression for the perimeter of the shape. Okay, so I copied and pasted the tile over, the shape over. Now we just have to write and simplify an expression for the perimeter. Okay, so we need to think, okay, what is perimeter? How do I calculate or write or describe the perimeter of a shape? And hopefully by now we know that the perimeter, well, we just add up all the sides. We find how long it is around the shape. Okay, we're trying to find how long it is around the shape. Okay, as far as the tiles go, hopefully we remember this is the X tile, and this length up here is 1. This length here to here is X. This is 1. This is the X squared, so the length here is going to be X. The length down here is going to be X. Length here on the X tile is 1, 1. And then this is a unit tile, so this is 1, 1, and 1. And from here to here, let me actually do this in a different color. From here to here in the orange, okay, that part is a little different. Okay, it's the whole thing. If it includes this purple down here, it would be X, but since we don't have the purple part in the perimeter, which is a length of 1, we calculate over here, right? We're going to call this X minus 1. Okay, we made that agreement in class. This part is X minus 1. Okay, just the orange part. That's all I'm concerned about. The purple part is right here. We already figured that we don't need that. It's not the outside. We just want the purple part in here. Okay, so now we could write the expression for the perimeter. So the perimeter is just going to be all the sides together. We're just going to add up all the sides. So perimeter equals X. Let's just go ahead and count what we have. We have, let's start with this X minus 1. It's going to be X minus 1. And we don't need the parentheses, but I'm just going to add it so we're clear what it is. Plus, we have X plus X plus X. Okay. And then we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we could just say plus 7. Okay. So we have the 3 x's now. Now we're going to start simplifying the expression. We wrote the expression, but we still need to simplify. This is still a little complicated. Like I told you guys, we can actually erase these parentheses. We really don't need these parentheses, so I'm going to actually go ahead and erase it. Okay, so it makes it a little easier to calculate this. Okay, now let's go ahead and just see how many x's we have. We have 1 x here, another x, another x, and another x. So how many x's do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 x's. Okay. As far as the units, okay, or the numbers, we have a negative 1 and we have a positive 7. So if we combine a negative 1 and a positive 7, we only have 6. Okay. So the perimeter is going to be 4x plus 6. 4x plus 6. Okay. Finally, now we're going to, for part B, we're going to evaluate the expression if x were 5.5 or 5.5. So, I'm going to rewrite the expression on here. Perimeter equals 4x plus 6. Okay, so what that means is that we're going to substitute the x in for 5.5. So instead of writing x in my expression, I'm going to go ahead and write 4 times, okay, not x. It's going to be 4 times 5.5. 4 times 5.5, and then plus 6. Remember, this is not 45.5, it's 4 times 5.5. I'm still seeing a couple students make that mistake. Okay, now we just evaluate or finish calculating it. 4 times 5.5, let's go ahead and work on that. So 5.5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. So this is going to be 220. But remember, we have the place value right here. So if this is one place value, or the tens place, we're going to move the decimal over one place value. So that's going to be 22. 5 times 5.5 is 22, plus 6. So we get 28. Okay.